In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can copy and paste your photos on iPhone. Copying and pasting photos on your iPhone is essential for tasks like backup, sharing, and editing. Duplicates ensure your memories are safe in multiple locations, while also facilitating experimentation in editing and easy organization into albums or folders. To do this, simply head into your phone photos. Let's copy this image right here to our notes. Simply tap on those three dots right here. Select this first option of copy. Your photo will get copied to clipboard. Just head into your notes. Tap on any free space. The paste option will appear just like mine right here. Tap on paste and your photo will get pasted to your iPhone notes successfully. You can paste your photo anywhere. Either WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other socials. That's how easy it is to copy and paste photos on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.